Happy Valentine's Day from the street vendors. Pretty roses, look at that. Even have bunnies. Roses. Oh, look at this. Balloons with the roses in it. Wow, look at that. From the street vendors, look at that. You can even get candy with a teddy bear. Happy Valentine's Day balloons. Sorry. How cute is that? How many peso?
This one is 20 peso.
20 pesos?
50.
50 pesos for that? 500 peso? Thank you. How many pesos for the balloon? 50 peso. That's a little less than $1 US, probably 60 cents. Happy Valentine's Day. You even have cotton candy for sale on Valentine's Day. That's a Catholic church. They even have vendors there at the Catholic church. Look at that. Very nice. They even sell pastries.
Hi. 150. Hi, sir.
Hi, how are you?
Fine, sir. Come inside, sir.
Do you have any I love Cebu shirts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
150. Only oversized t-shirt.
Okay. Thank you. Mangoes right there. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Chili pepper.
Hey, are you vlogger?
Yes.
Are you vlogger?
Yes. Say Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Streams of Dreams is my channel. Streams of Dreams. Look at the things they have here. Hot chocolate. Look at that. They have basketballs. Valentine's Day balloons galore. Look at that. Saint Nino de Cebu Mactan Church. They do have street vendors here, friends. Hello, happy Friday. Even sell candles. How much are the candles?
Have 100 and have 50.
100,
How much this? 100 eh? 100.
100 peso.
Yeah, 100. See, the
Very
candle is not is calendar. Yeah.
Do you make them here?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Have 10. That one. Candle color red.
Red candle, how much?
10 pesos.
10 pesos. 10 pesos for the red candle. Thank you. We're gonna have jewelry here. Necklaces. Very nice. Even earrings. $100 pesos. Looks like those are knitted roses. These are knitted items. Very cute. Happy Valentine's Day. Very cute. Look at the bear and the roses. How many pesos for the purple bear?
500.
500 pesos for the purple bear and roses. That's like $9 US or so.
250 only.
250 pesos for the three bears.
Yes. 300.
300 pesos for the roses. How many pesos for those roses there?
150.
150 for that rose and the teddy bear. Very nice, sir.
Thank you for very
Oh, look at this. How many pesos for all those teddy bears right there?
500.
500 pesos?
Yeah.
How many pesos for those roses?
150.
150 for the...
150.
Yes?
25 pesos.
25 pesos.
300 pesos.
300 pesos. How cute are those?
Oh.
Very cute. And the one with the chocolate candy?
500.
500 pesos. Very nice. How much are those? Those are beautiful right there.
100.
100 pesos for those. Thank you.
Welcome.
We're doing a street vendor tour of the Valentine's Day vendors here on Mactan Island in Cebu City in the Philippines. Hello.
Blogger.
Say hello.
Sticker.
Beautiful Valentine's. Very beautiful. How much for the bear and the candy? Bear and the candy. 500?
600.
600. 600. Thank you. How much for the rose inside the balloon? Is that a balloon?
300.
300. Very nice. Oh, look at these beautiful flowers. Look at that. How cute is that? The red bear and the rose. Those look like... Looks like satin roses to me. What is the material this is made out of? Is that satin, velvet? What is that? Ask you? Ask her. What is the material those roses are made out of? Right there.
Material?
Yeah, the material. Satin? What is that?
Like this one.
Yes.
It's a ribbon. Like
Ray-Ban?
a ribbon, yeah.
Okay.
Like that one.
This one. Thank you. Very good. Beautiful Valentine's Day roses today.
150.
150 for those?
Yeah. Only 20.
How much for that one?
100.
100. They're getting lower priced. Thank you. Oh Lord, there's a lot more vendors here. They take their Valentine's Day seriously here in the Philippines.
Sir, sunflower.
How much for your flower?
600.
600 pesos.
1 key.
Are those real flowers?
1 key.
1K.
Flower.
That's a real flower right there. Very nice. 1,000 pesos. They do offer real flowers in the Philippines, friends. Dangerous moving around here, though. Don't get run over by a jeepney. Mayan Uto! Mayan Uto! And these flowers. Mayan Uto, how are you?
Yeah, man, what's up? Hey. Come here, open it.
Hello. And here we are at Jollibee, the favorite restaurant of the Philippines. There you have it. Happy Valentine's Day from Cebu City in the Philippines. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. Please share the videos. Have a good one. Mayang Uto to you. Take care, everyone. Don't get run over by a jeepney.